Hey, everyone! Today, let's explore one of the biggest parks in Toronto. High Park is Toronto's largest public park featuring many hiking trails, sports facilities, diverse vegetation, a beautiful lakefront, convenient parking, easy public transit access, a dog park, a zoo, playgrounds for children, a couple of eateries, greenhouses, picnic areas, a bunch of squirrels, and various events throughout the year. High Park is a picturesque 399-acre park nestled within the heart of Toronto. It boasts an array of cherry trees, including Quanzan cherry trees. These are renowned for their stunning pink petals and lush foliage. The park is a beloved destination in the springtime, attracting locals and visitors alike to appreciate the fleeting beauty of these blooms.
Can we just walk around here so I can leave these here for a second?
The park is home to more than 5,000 cherry trees gifted from Japan in 1959. Every spring, these trees put on a stunning display of pink and white blossoms. This year, we can expect to see them bloom around mid-April.